Attention! This is Captain Snowball!
Me and Tiny Dog need backup.
We read you loud and clear. Over.
We are headed to the circus. This is urgent. Over.
Copy that. Busy Bee, Mommy's gotta go save Daddy. Again. Cats, let's do this!
Life takes its time. But the shack outside again.
My baby's
You know what
hungry.
I'm talking about.
Oh, dear.
That makes sense.
Hang on, Max! We're coming! Floor it!
Hurry up, you clowns! Let's go, let's go! Sergey have new toy. Training is going to be a lot more fun. All right, let's get this show on the tracks.
Snowball! Come on, jump!
Guys, what's your location?
They're on a train headed northbound.
Over.
Roger that, Norman. We're on it. Go right here!
You hang back, CD! Captain Snowball is on the deck! Snowball!
Have fun!
Yeah, can you, find a way to get back up here, or is there... Huh?
Tiny Dog!
What was that? Hello? Daisy! Snowball! Oh, thank goodness! Get me out of here! I'm stuck. Okay, look. Huh?